Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share a Photoshop tip through which you can easily improve your photographic composition. Guys, most of the time you capture unwanted object along with your main subject, which create distraction for viewers. Like I have taken a few example of images in which you can easily notice distracting objects. So in that case, how can we remove these unwanted object with minimal efforts in post processing? So the answer is Photoshop. With the help of this tool, you can easily remove any unwanted object in 2 to 3 steps. After opening an image in Photoshop, go to Lasso tool in the extreme right panel of the screen and click on it. Now go to the area or object which you want to remove from your composition. So I am taking this first image of reflection in which some rocky area I want to remove. I select this area with the lasso tool and click right on the mouse and hit content aware fill option. Now you see a new window in which you can customize settings according to your choice. But leave it in auto mode and hit OK button. In this mode, Photoshop will automatically select sample area which is reflecting in green color and fill the selected area accordingly. Now you can see the result of our composition, which looks quite seamless. Similarly, I will use this trick in another image in which distraction lies in the lower middle area. I am taking lasso tool for selection and using content aware fill to patch this composition. Now lasso tool, I am taking lasso tool, selecting this area and hit right on the mouse and fill it with content aware. Yeah, now this new window is coming, is opening up. Leave it in auto mode only and hit OK. Now this is perfectly finely patched. Now I find some kind of distraction which I would like to remove it with spot removal brush and yeah, so that's fine. Oh, that's not fine, that's not working. Okay, I have another option. uh, let me try stamp tool. Yeah, so first I need to select the sample area, yes, and try to fix it up with the patch or stamp tool. No, it's not working. I think we are doing something wrong. We have selected the wrong layer, that's why we are not working. I hope this time it will work. Yeah, that's great. So that's it, we have done it. Now move on to next image. Now we move on to our last image in which side distraction affecting beautiful composition of lake background. So we again following the same procedure. We will opt for lasso tool and select the specified area. Now click right on the mouse. Instead of opting content aware fill this time, and now you will get a seamless composition. Now deselect this specified area and save it. Now this is the end of our demonstration. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe this channel if you like it. Thank you so much.